Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 495, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Middlesex, Monmouth, Morris, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Here is the